Beauty Collective, and I like both the lines, the Clean Reserve and the Clean Classic. This brand, from everything I can tell, is kind of all about clean in general. Like, the scents are pretty clean. They definitely fit more into that clean girl aesthetic sort of scent often. And then also it says some things here like clean formula, so I think they use cleaner ingredients, vegan, cruelty-free, eco-conscious, recyclable, and transparency. I don't know what transparency means, but obviously you can learn more on their website. Okay, so here is the bottle. It's just a cute little 30 milliliter bottle, and I bought this at Marshall's. I think it was $20. So it's called Soft Laundry. I looked up the notes on Fragrantica while I was in the store, and the reason why I bought it is it's not because I like laundry-esque smelling scents, but the notes looked like super aquatic and also musky, so I was really intrigued to try this one. I will say that I'm not going to be keeping it, but I do think it is a nice laundry, very just clean laundry, soapy scent if you are into that sort of thing. But I'm not going to be keeping it myself, but I do think it's a nice, very subtle laundry scent. Okay, so before I do that, I did try to dress on theme today, so I've got this shirt, which is actually like really a great color match, almost perfect. So, this shirt, and then I've also got these earrings, which are just little blue hearts with gold around them. So I thought those were cute. So that is what I'm wearing to match the vibe and color of this fragrance. Okay, so let's spray this fragrance, and then we'll go over the main accords. Alright, okay, this one's cute. It has a calendar, and it says, "So little done, such things to be, oh yet we trust that somehow good will be the final goal of ill." I don't know, that's random. Alright, so I'm gonna give this a spray. Okay, it has a nice atomizer. I do really like the clean bottles. They're just, obviously these are very simple, nothing too special, but simple. And then the clean reserve bottles are really nice. I like their wood caps. I have a couple other clean fragrances, clean Beauty Collective fragrances, 4 total other ones that I'll show you in a little bit. Okay, so this has dried down. Okay, so right away, what I get is a soapy, musky, aquatic profile. Yeah, it's very light, it's subtle, but it's, to me, those are the 3 main aspects: soapy, watery, aquatic, and musky. Maybe like a touch of floral as well. On Fragrantica, let's read through the main accords together. Okay, so first we have aquatic and fresh, floral, musky, white floral, and powdery. I agree with all of that. I feel like I get all of that. So, except there should be a soapy accord for sure. It really does smell kind of detergent-y clean. So I think they achieved exactly what they were going for. And it is soft. It is soft, but it's just that detergent scents tend to be kind of sharp and soapy. So this, I would say, is still a bit soft, a bit sharp and soapy and like aldehydic. also an aquatic scent. It's very lightly sweet, lightly floral, but in the softest, most subtle way. This is a great skin scent. It's got musk, it's got some florals, it's got some watery type notes as well. So, yeah, this is Clean Skin. Clean Skin, the classic version. There's also a Clean Skin Reserve version, which is very similar. Okay, and then I've got both of these clean cashmeres. This is clean cashmere and clean warm cashmere. So I'll start with clean cashmere. This is really nice. This is somewhat unisex. Yeah, I would say it's like feminine leaning unisex. Very clean, a little bit aromatic. I believe it has a lavender note. It's got a bunch of musk. It's powdery. Soft, subtle, a little bit woody. Yeah, a little bit cashmere, but in a kind of like natural, aromatic way. Great for, I would think, the fall and winter, but honestly, I would say year round because this leans cool to me. It's not warm. Yeah, it leans cool with like the lavender and the other notes in it, so I feel like this would be great as well in the spring and summer. And then we have the clean warm cashmere, and this one is a little bit warmer, and I think the main thing that to me makes it a little warmer is that it has a black currant note, and I forget what else is in it, but like vetiver, maybe bergamot. This smells pretty similar. Well, I haven't smelled this fragrance in a while, but this is said to smell very similar